Hello, and welcome to today's core vocabulary lesson. Words that you will be introduced to today are connected to Unit 1, Lesson 2. Let's get started. Amiss. Amiss is something improper. The part of speech is an adjective, which means it is a describing word. Here is a sentence that uses amiss in context. Something was amiss when the family stopped their car along the road. Appease. Appease means to satisfy. The part of speech is a verb, which means it is an action word. Here is a sentence that uses appease in context. I had to appease my boys when they wanted ice cream for dinner. Culottes. Culottes are shorts that resemble a skirt. The part of speech is a noun, which means it is a person, place, or thing. Here is a sentence that uses culottes in context. In middle school, I wore culottes almost every day.